Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly, while others work day and night, yet stay broke? Over 4,000 years ago, in the ancient city of Babylon, a man discovered the timeless laws of wealth that still work today. His name was Arcad, once a poor scribe who became the richest man in all of Babylon. And in this journey, you'll learn the simple yet powerful money principles that can make anyone rich, even in today's world. So sit back and imagine golden temples, busy markets, and dusty roads of Babylon, where the secrets of financial freedom were first written in clay tablets. Chapter 1. The Man Who Desired Gold. Our story begins with two friends, Bansir, a chariot builder, and Kobe, a musician. They worked hard, but one day they realized, despite years of effort, their purses were empty. They looked around and saw others, living in fine houses, wearing beautiful robes, while they had nothing. So they decided to visit Arcad, the richest man in Babylon, a man who was once as poor as they were. They asked him, "Arcad, how did you become so wealthy while we remain poor?" Arcad smiled and said, "Because I learned to keep a part of all I earned and made my gold work for me." And with that one line began the journey of financial wisdom. Chapter 2. The 7 Cures for a Lean Purse. Arcad shared 7 golden rules, the ancient secrets to wealth. Let's break them down one by one. Number 1. Start thy purse to fattening. Save at least 10% of all you earn. Before you pay bills, before you buy anything, pay yourself first. Every coin you save is your servant. Think about it. If you earn $100, keep $10 aside. That's the seed of your future fortune. Number 2. Control thy expenditures. We all say, "I don't earn enough to save." But Babylon's wisdom says, what each of us calls necessary expenses will always grow to equal our income, unless we control it. So live below your means. Differentiate between wants and needs. Number 3. Make thy gold multiply. Money that sits dies. Money that works grows. Invest wisely. Let your savings produce more income, like fields that yield crops year after year. In today's world, that means investing in businesses, index funds, or assets that generate passive income. Number 4. Guard thy treasures from loss. Don't fall for get-rich-quick schemes. Arcad warned, consult the wise. Let the advice of those experienced in handling gold protect your treasure. In other words, always research before you invest. Number 5. Make thy dwelling a profitable investment. Own your home. In Babylon, a man who owned his house was respected. Today, it means creating stability, buying or building assets that reduce your long-term expenses. Number 6. Ensure a future income. Prepare for the future. Save for your old age and provide for your family. Your money should work even when you cannot. And 7. Increase thy ability to earn. Invest in yourself. Learn skills, grow knowledge, improve your craft. Because the more valuable you become, the more wealth flows toward you. As Arcad said, the man who seeks to learn more of his craft shall be richly rewarded. Chapter 3. The Laws of Gold. Arcad then shared the 5 laws of gold, ancient truths about how money behaves. Let's decode them in today's language. Gold comes gladly and in increasing quantity to anyone who saves at least 1/10 of his income. Save consistently. Wealth follows discipline. Gold labors diligently and multiplies when invested wisely. Make your money earn for you. Gold clings to the protection of the cautious owner. Avoid risky ventures. Gold slips away from the man who invests in businesses he does not understand. Never invest in what you can't explain in simple words. Gold flees from the man who tries to force it into impossible earnings. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Chapter 4. The Luckiest Man in Babylon. A man once asked Arcad, "Does luck play a role in wealth?" Arcad replied, "Luck favors those who take action." The gods of Babylon didn't bless the lazy, they blessed the prepared. Opportunity always knocks, but only those ready to open the door call it luck. So don't wait for luck. Create it by learning, saving, and taking consistent action. Chapter 5. The Debtor's Lesson. In another story, a man deeply in debt sought advice. He learned, to be free, one must first stop borrowing, then repay what is owed little by little. Freedom doesn't begin with more money. It begins with discipline. Final lesson. The timeless truth. When the dust of Babylon settled, the message remained. Save first, spend wisely, invest carefully, keep learning. Let your gold work for you. These rules made men wealthy 4,000 years ago, and they still do today, because money changes, but human behavior never does. So, the next time you get paid, remember the wisdom of Arcad. Pay yourself first, control your desires, and let your gold multiply. The richest man in Babylon wasn't born lucky. He built his fortune one coin at a time. And so can you. This is Motive Audio, where timeless books become life-changing lessons. If you found value in this story, hit follow and keep listening for more golden wisdom.